Welcome everyone to today's training on preventive maintenance for construction and automotive equipment. In this session, we will learn how to prevent breakdowns, reduce costs, and increase machine life through proper maintenance planning. Let us begin. Our training objectives. By the end of this training, you will understand what preventive maintenance is, the different types, and how to apply it in construction machines and vehicles. You will also learn how preventive maintenance can become a profitable service business. What is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is a scheduled inspection and servicing of equipment before failure happens. Instead of waiting for a machine to break down, we service it regularly to prevent damages. This approach reduces emergency repairs and increases equipment reliability. Types of preventive maintenance. There are three types of preventive maintenance. One, time-based maintenance. This is done after a specific period of time, such as every 3 months, or every 6 months, or every 1 month. Second, we have hour-based maintenance. This is common in construction machines. For example, we have 250-hour service, 500 service, 1000 service, 2000 service. Thirdly, we have condition-based maintenance. This is done when monitoring shows abnormal conditions such as oil contamination or unusual vibration. Why preventive maintenance is important? Preventive maintenance reduces unexpected breakdowns and saves money. It improves safety for operator and technicians. It increases machine life and reduces fuel consumption. Remember, small maintenance prevents big and expensive repairs. Preventive maintenance in construction machine. In construction machines such as hydraulic excavators, bulldozer, excavator, graders, concrete pumps, cranes, etc., maintenance is based on operating hours. Following the service schedule is critical to protect the engine, hydraulic system, electrical system, cooling system, etc. Daily restart inspection. Before starting the machine each day, always check engine oil, coolant level, and hydraulic oil. Inspect hoses for leaks and grease all pins and bushes. Also check the dashboard for warning lights. This takes only 10 to 15 minutes but can prevent serious damages. 250-hour service. At 250 operating hours, change the engine oil and replace the oil filter. Clean or replace the air filter. Inspect belts and check battery terminals. This service protects the engine from wear and overheating. 500-hour service. At 500-hour service, replace fuel filters and hydraulic return filter. Inspect injectors and hydraulic hoses. Check pump pressures if necessary. Skipping this service can damage the hydraulic pump, which is very expensive to repair. Preventive maintenance in automotive system. In vehicles such as cars and trucks and other machines, preventive maintenance includes regular oil change, brake inspection, battery testing, cooling system checks, and other related checks. Modern vehicles also require electronic scanning to find hidden fault codes. Electrical preventive maintenance. In electrical system, tighten loose terminals, and clean battery posts. Inspect wiring harness for damages, check relays and fuses regularly. You can also use diagnostic tool to discover hidden fault codes and are clear. Hydraulic preventive maintenance. For hydraulic system, monitor oil level and contaminations, replace return filter on schedule, inspect cylinder seals and hoses. Remember, clean hydraulic oil means long pump and valve life. Preventive maintenance checklist. Why do we need preventive maintenance checklist? A preventive maintenance checklist helps to ensure nothing is forgotten. Record machine name, model, hour readings, and date. Tick all complete inspection and sign the document. Documentation improves professionalism and accountability. Business opportunity. Preventive maintenance is not only technical, it is also a business opportunity. You can offer service contracts to construction companies and fleet owners. Monthly inspection plan provide stable income and build long-term customer relationship. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, share, like, and hit the notification bell. We meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.